changes on the sort of the operations floor level, the way you do planning and scheduling, managing your people as part of the transformation?
Not particularly. Most of it has been a great transition being part of Ingersoll Rand. We're getting the best practices there at Reach. There is operational excellence stuff we're starting the best practice, but nothing from a day-to-day operations that we're seeing major changes. It's the blocking and tackling of a good company, getting raw materials, addressing capacity, inventory, safety, quality, delivery. Those things don't go away just because you go from public to private or vice versa. So from that standpoint, very similar to before.
So along those lines, then, sticking with the factory floor topic, what do you do in terms of establishing a framework for your people to work in to maintain good performance and then identify improvement opportunities?
Yeah, I think it starts with standards and expectations. I think my belief is that everyone comes to work expecting to do a good job. You're looking for mastery, autonomy, and purpose in your job. So if people understand standard work, here's the expectations, they'll rise to the expectation. It also creates good flow within the site. And then obviously when you got good standards, you can see variability in what's special cause versus common cause. So I think that is something definite that we're working through. And then also, I'm big on educating the site, learning from other departments, supply chain, finance, quality, learning to speak other people's languages, seeing where their constraints are, and how do they create tools that not only service your department, but from a global standpoint, have the maximum throughput. And you only get that by talking to other people, by working with other departments, by stepping into their shoes and speaking their language.